Ladies and gentlemen, the waiting Zonal Director NBC, Mr. Vincent Chibuike Ogunike. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. If we talk anyhow for radio, now they cash us. But as me you here now, if I talk anyhow, they will cash two of us, okay?
No be like that. We never catch you before. Now platform where we go catch.
Now go catch.
Now Wazobia we go catch.
All right, welcome, sir.
Well done.
All right, so once again, I say I'm here with the Zonal Director NBC, Mr. Vincent. More living like that. Okay, nice to meet you here.
Thank you very
nice for
much.
you to come meet us for here.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I'm just meet you small.
Yes, so I agree to now for I think market runs.
Yes.
Yes. Now market, I don't enter market.
Yes,
The person now either you come buy market or you come sell market. If you like say I come buy market too.
You can't buy, that's why you go
And I come sell market too. So now one.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
My name na Dr. Chibike
Okay.
Ogumike.
Yeah.
I be Zonal Director NBC Lagos.
Okay.
I don't do that work
Yeah.
for August go make me 4 years now.
Okay.
Where I don't they do them for Lagos.
Okay.
And my people will be NBC.
Yeah.
Come say, make I come return to Abuja.
Wow.
Where I go be director special duties for NBC
More
headquarters.
clap now. That one reach to clap now. More just clap, more clap, more clap. That one real promotion now.
Yes. So I said, make I come do market here now.
Okay.
So that I go sell market.
Yes.
And at the same time, I go come buy market.
Yes.
Now the thing we carry me
Where
come.
can you go? We now here, ladies and gentlemen. In case some of you no know what be NBC, na National Broadcasting
Commission.
Commission. It is so. So if people they do any year for radio or radio stations do any year, now they check us. So imagine say our guy come meet us, say may follow us play, may follow us buy, may follow us sell, and again they don't promote am. So it's from Lagos going to Abuja. Okay. Talking about say this your work when you say you don't they do this work so. What you guys to talk about as Oga, what you get to talk about regulating broadcasting in Lagos from your own experience? Because now Lagos, you basis now you want to come out for Lagos. So before you come out, tell us for this town about regulating broadcasting in this town from your experience, sir.
You know, say Lagos na them get broadcasting.
Okay.
When you might not say broadcasting from Lagos,
Yeah.
broadcasting no dey again for Nigeria.
Okay.
But when you talk about regulation for Lagos,
Yeah.
broadcasters wey dey Lagos,
Yeah.
you go see the old ones, the first generation broadcasters, they dey here. The second generation dey here.
Yeah.
The other generation dey here. Even the small ones where they come, everybody dey here. The thing boku here.
Okay.
Because for Lagos here,
Yeah.
na center of excellence, no be for mouth o.
Yeah.
So any small thing where you do as mistake, they go catch you.
Yeah.
No be only NBC.
Okay.
They monitor waiting broadcasters they do.
They do.
We get veterans.
Okay.
And those people are people where all of us supposed to appreciate.
Okay.
Because then they there every time they open their ear. If you make one mistake like this,
Pem.
they go say,
Yeah.
this is not the way we're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
And you know, when that man don't talk like that, now retired person, know,
Yes.
but every day in there for in radio.
Wow.
Because that radio now in companion,
Yes.
we need to appreciate people like that. And again, you go talk about our broadcasters.
Yeah.
Our broadcasters, you see, when you go for the last award,
Yeah.
everything na Lagos.
Lagos.
Now Lagos win everything.
Back everything.
Best radio station, Lagos.
Lagos.
Best television station, Lagos.
Yeah.
So Lagos is really center of excellence. Lagos now we are professionals day. And for you to regulate Lagos,
Where
you know my
everybody
people
dey.
say, if you won't catch monkey,
Yes.
you go behave like monkey. If you won't catch monkey, come they do them gentle like this. Monkey go take you play. So when we talk about regulation in Lagos,
Yeah.
you yourself you go there on top of your game. You go sabi waiting they sabi.
Okay.
Because if they sabi pass you, that means they go they regulate you.
And they
now.
tell you what regulate.
So and again you go come sabi your environment.
Yeah.
Lagos is a very unique town. Lagos is a very unique town. In NBC, for this Lagos where they see like this, we have close to 60 radio stations.
Only Lagos.
Only Lagos.
Now, wow.
You have about 14 television stations.
Only Lagos.
I no want talk about the paid subscription TV stations
Yes.
and their channels.
Yes.
Those ones, they 100, this and that. But you now say we go regulate broadcasting in Lagos.
Yeah.
So you must apply the system where you go take regulate them so that everybody go comply.
Yeah.
But now that kind of thing where they like talk about.
Yeah.
Now what thing we they call self-regulation.
Okay.
If you remember when I come Lagos close to 4 years ago, the first thing what I do is to go around all the stations.
Okay.
I come tell them, say, my brother, this job no be for NBC alone. Regulation is for you, for your own good, and for my own good.
Yeah.
No be only government they regulate. And everybody supposed to regulate.
Yeah.
And for regulation, it's for public interest.
Okay.
We need to protect our people.
Yes.
Because one small thing where you go talk here now, say, na joke where you crack.
Yeah.
Lagos feed the boil.
Yes. Sir. Yes. Sir.
Eh?
Yes. Sir. Yes. True.
And the person go tell me, say, waiting NBC they do, sef, waiting NBC they do.
Yeah.
If you go broadcast for 95.1,
Yeah.
which waiting be, that one Wazobia channel, another station come down 95.1,
Yeah.
better go there for Lagos that day. Una go hear each other.
Wow. Wow.
That's a very important role NBC they play.
Wow.
We go want everybody make you there for your own lane.
Yeah.
Make this other person there for your own lane.
Now, so.
But if you go give yourself 95.1, another person go carry out 95.1, kata don't boss. So for people to comply
Yeah.
with the broadcast regulation is very, very important.
Very important.
No be say NBC they fight stations, NBC they do this. Nah, we are just trying to bring stations, make them come up the way they're supposed to be.
To be.
Yes, you know way. But when you're a child, you correct your child, you correct them, and then see they behave. What you go do? Ratata, tell me true. Tell me what you go
Just
do.
dress, do and just show and say, I'm not like this same when you do. With love.
With love.
Yeah, with love.
Yes, that
Love.
is why most often now we will give you what we that they call love letter.
Yeah.
That's so.
I say, please ask Oga NBC, why are they always stopping our radio and TV stations from saying things the way they are, especially with the politics and government? You know, when we come back, Oga will talk. He don't talk small. If you hear, he don't ever talk why they do all this kind of thing. But when we come back, he go hammer on
go
this
pinch
thing.
am
When
more.
you know why he say, he dey talk say, as Papa, he go correct picking at time. He say, ask Oga, make I read them again. Why always NBC they stop the radio stations and TV stations from saying the things the way they are, especially when it has to do with the politicians and government? He said because regulating stations is different from concealing the truth.
Now better question be that. Ratata.
Sir?
You go remember say when we they start this Wazobia for Lagos in those days.
Yeah.
And when we open our phone,
Yeah.
people they talk anyhow.
Exactly.
Eh?
Yes.
It come get a stage. Even our people now, they conscious when they call station.
Yes.
You go here say, if no be say I dey on air.
Yes.
The kind thing where I go talk. That one now regulation though. You don't they see them.
Yes.
The thing don't they sink into their ear. Say the way you take talk for house, no be like that. You go talk. Make you when you day for air.
True. Yeah. Yeah.
So now plus for all of us. So.
Yes, very well.
And some other people go won't talk them the way they won't talk them. You see, when you take say you're right, this
Yes.
thing na my right. Another person right today.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
Why don't you talk to people in a decent language?
Okay.
Broadcasting it in language. Decency is there.
Yeah.
So most often those callers go won't talk anyhow,
Yeah.
abuse people.
Yes.
Why must you abuse your fellow person? What didn't do you? He not do you anything though. Talk to that person in a decent language now.
Yeah.
Now so we broadcasting code talk am.
Yes.
And again, this one where you talk say NBC know they allow stations,
Yes.
make stations talk anyhow where they want.
Won't talk. Yeah.
Make I tell you the truth. Not be like that.
Okay.
we get wetin we dey call editorial responsibility. Now the stations get their editorial responsibility. Ratata, NBC never ask you before you go on air,
Yes.
make you bring your script, make we see. We never talk like that before.
Of course.
We don't talk like that.
Yeah.
The broadcasting code dey there. And that broadcasting code come spell out the thing where you go do
Yes.
and the thing where you no supposed to do. And not be NBC do am. Now all of us will be broadcasters, organize ourselves, say
Yes.
this thing na the standard practice.
Okay.
So the media get their work
Yes.
according to the constitution is to hold the government accountable.
Yes.
And you must hold them accountable in a responsible manner.
Nana. Yes, true.
There's a clause there.
Yes.
Government na me and you.
Abi o.
Yes, so-
Abi o.
Government na me and you.
Yeah. Yeah.
The pikin wey say mama soup no sweet.
No sweet.
Which soup go sweet?
For
now?
a
Which
mouth.
soup go sweet?
We soup go sweet for a
Which
mouth.
soup
true.
Make I leave am like that.
Abi o.
Abi.
Yes,
So I hope say una don dey hear why business societies we no go allow, we no go permit. There's somebody else got to let you know say our listeners dey listen well.
Yes, so.
He say good morning, sir. He say it's a nice show you are doing right now. He say it is true. Your guest is right. We have 62 radio stations in Lagos.
Yeah.
This is Joshua from Olodi Apapa.
Yeah.
So they confirm that thing where you
Gong,
talk
gong,
about
gong,
62
gong, gong,
radio
gong,
stations.
gong,
Exactly.
gong, gong. They say so. Not be smart, you know. Our guest still there, yo. So our guy, we get like about 3-4 minutes. As you dey leave Lagos, they go Abuja. So
Yeah.
yes. Which other thing you feel say you never talk now when you still want talk?
Yes.
As you can't do bye so.
Yes, as you don't talk am, my mission here na to come greet you now.
Yeah.
Because without you people,
Yeah.
I no go fit do my work well for Lagos.
Yeah.
That cooperation dey there.
Okay.
Now Lagosians, the cooperation dey there.
Okay.
Government cooperation dey there.
You did.
So everybody, there's cooperation.
Yeah.
Make we continue with that cooperation. And again,
Yeah.
let our broadcasters continue to be professionals.
Yeah.
And when you be professional, you will be neutral.
True.
You no go belong for party A
Yes.
or party B,
B.
or party C. You just be yourself, do your work jejely.
Yeah.
As you do your work jejely, you don't okay kata with NBC.
Exactly.
And the work where we NBC they do. Now the work we wanna say make we they do.
That's
Abi o.
it.
Eh?
That's it.
We need to do anything extra.
Yes.
So I dey encourage Lagosians,
Yeah.
encourage broadcasters,
Yeah.
make we they do the right thing.
Okay.
Make them they put proper check.
Yes.
You know what thing happen for Lagos here and be say, the Lagos is a very vibrant city.
I did tell you.
And if you think say na you sabi pass,
Yeah.
they go tell you say you never sabi you.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
I when I dey listen to you people,
Yeah.
I dey monitor my own. I dey say listen. I know they listen to you people. I dey monitor.
Monitor. Proper.
And when I dey monitor you people,
Yes.
I go see say that there are times your audience will even want bend you.
Yes.
Go join wetin they want to.
Exactly.
And you go see say somebody go ask you question, you dodge that question.
Yes.
Another person go call another person
Another
from
person-
Ikorodu.
Yes.
Ask
so.
that same question. What thing you go do? You go answer now. Meaning that everybody should be serious. Lagos is a very unique town.
Yeah.
And we need that peace in Lagos. To be honest with you,
Yes.
like I said before, one small thing, oh,
Yes.
one small cocoa thing where you do.
Everywhere if you catch fire.
Everywhere you have fish catch fire.
Yeah.
And nobody know the person where that fire go catch.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's so.
Eh?
And how
You
long
fit-
the fire go burn?
You fit think say after all I did for my house, JJ.
Yes.
That fire fit come meet you there.
Yes, true.
And not be only NBC they monitor stations. Security services they there, oh.
They there.
Police they there, oh. Government they there, oh.
They.
Individuals they there, oh. All manner of people they there.
They did.
I just they listen to the advert where you play. I just they listen jejely for the malaria this thing.
Yeah.
I can't see say where you talk when they talk say if the sickness can't continue after 3 days,
Yes.
go see your doctor. But somebody feel carry another advert.
Yes.
We be malaria this thing. You know go give our people that kind of advice.
True.
We no go allow our people make them die.
They, exactly.
Wetin be important for regulation o.
Yeah.
We get the problem of our need
Yes.
and our want.
Yeah.
Let us separate them.
Yeah. Yeah.
What will bring peace for Nigeria?
Yes.
That's very important
That's
to
very,
us.
very important.
So not be a how anyhow thing. So we did there.
Yeah.
They say Anyway, another thing be say, we dey there, they check your back. Ratata, you fit go on air now. Like my colleague go talk, saying, say, somebody don't go get a microphone anointing. You begin talk anyhow.
Yes.
Somebody go there, come call you. Ratata, you don't dey go
Where they
overboard.
go awful. Yeah.
Ratata, this program supposed to end for 12.
Yes.
I bet you don't they talk
I
past
did tell you
12.
past 12.
I'm telling you honestly. So
Okay.
regulation
That's
is
nice.
important.
So, Oga, like I talked before, I said if your officers for office when follow you work, do this work, when put one join together with you, if they listen by any chance now, as they say bye bye, what you go tell them?
You see, this question we ask na better one.
Yeah.
First of all,
Yeah.
the job no be me do am o.
Okay.
Without them,
Yeah.
I no fit do this job o.
Okay.
You see, when you people on air for 24 hours,
Yeah.
we dey monitor you people for 24 hours.
Yeah.
So those people now the people wey we dey give kudos.
Wow.
I appreciate all of them.
Yeah.
Their cooperation na second to none.
Yeah.
I must tell you.
Yeah.
There are times, somebody asked me one day, what thing I they do for this woman show for night, for midnight?
Uzo.
Waiting I they awake.
They do at that time. Yeah.
Not be only me, oh.
Yeah.
Somebody they there to do that work.
Wow.
So I appreciate all of them. The monitoring officers,
Yeah.
all staff of NBC Lagos Zone,
Yeah.
their cooperation is wonderful.
Yeah.
Eh? So now people will be professionals on their own, won't do the work the way the work supposed to be done.
Yeah.
Come rain, oh, come sunshine, oh, anytime, oh, any day, oh, they day there. Public holiday, oh. As you know, they go public holiday. Now, so we know they go.
Wow.
And not be everybody for NBC, now monitoring officer.
Monitoring officer. Yeah.
Even the clerks, everybody they up and down.
Yeah.
They do the work.
Yeah.
So, and at the same time, I will also appreciate my DG.
Wow.
Will be your Gapata for NBC and his management.
Yeah.
They've given us that atmosphere to operate, to work. And in such a way that even when they see our report, they say, yes, this is a correct report.
Yeah.
Because if you get one Ogawe, if you write a report finish, you go say, waiting be this one.
Yeah, true.
And they trust us.
Yeah.
And I'm praying that that trust will continue.
Continue.
And for the staff waiting for Lagos Zone,
Yeah.
I don't they give on kudos.
Yeah. That's
So
nice.
as the new zonal director they come,
Yeah.
make sure they work hard, work well again with them. Yeah. God will bless
All
all
right,
of them.
tuna. So the matter be
Chook Pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.